Hi everyone! In today's video, I will be showing you how I painted this jean jacket inspired by a local band in Houston called EverGlaze. Today I'm using acrylic paint, Angelus Direct, and Posca markers. For the design of this jacket, I was inspired by the cover art of their single Shadows. I wanted to combine the panda in the cover with donuts for this jacket. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to not miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out EverGlaze Band in all platforms for great music and to support this amazing band. Thanks again for watching. Bye!